Okay, so based on payer requirements, hospital outpatient reporting may represent services performed within either a given 24-hour period, which would be a single calendar date, or over a range of dates. An example is the use of another initial IV push code, that 96374, in the event another separately prepared IV push was performed prior to and beyond midnight of a calendar date for which both administrations would be reported as an initial service with that 96374. This is what we call single date reporting. Now, to make it more confusing, when a facility reports services occurring over a range of dates instead, code choice differs based on the regular injection and infusion hierarchy. For facility reporting over a range of dates, the specific medication administration example of the IV push medication individually prepared and administered prior to and beyond midnight would be reported as initial prior to midnight, and then sequential or subsequent, depending on the medication, beyond midnight. And here is an example of these charging differences using an IV push of Zofran, which is a therapeutic drug. For single date reporting, at 11 p.m. on day 1, you have your initial IV push, and at 2 a.m. on day 2, you also have an initial IV push. If it's done on a range of dates, at 11 p.m. on day 1, it's an initial push, but at 2 a.m. the next day, it's actually going to be a sequential push instead. So it really just depends on your facility and your state and your payer. There's a lot of different nuances in how your billing department's going to approach this.